I'm discussing distinct focus discussion on the role of learner center, instructor center, and group center in the learning process. First of all, learner center. Learner center means it's the student center, and approach focus primarily on the needs, interests, and learning styles of students. In this method, students are active participants in their learning, taking responsibility for their progress, while instructors facilitate and support their development. A characteristic of learner center, it is active learning, emphasize engaging students in activities like discussions, projects, and problem solving. Personalization, lessons are adapted to the individual students' needs and interests. Critical thinking, encourage students to question, analyze, and apply knowledge, fostering independent thinking. Instructor role, act as a facilitator or guide rather than the primary source of information. Example, project-based learning, where the students explore real-world problems and work towards solution, is highly learner-centered. Instructor-centered, an instructor-centered approach places the instructor at the center of the learning process. In this model, the instructor controls the content, pace, and the structure of learning, and students are more passive recipients of the information. Some characteristic of instructor-centered are direct instruction. Lessons are often delivered through the lectures or demonstration with the instructor as the primary knowledge source. Standardization, a more uniform approach to teaching with less emphasis on individual difference. Assessment focus, success is usually measured through test or assignment with clear and specific goals set by the instructor. Student role, students are expected to listen, take notes, and observe information with fewer opportunities for active participation. Examples, traditional lectures where the instructor explains concepts and the student take notes and asks questions. Group center, a group center approach emphasizes collaboration and interaction among the students, with learning taking place in the group settings where students work together to achieve common goals. Characteristics of group center, this is the collaboration. Students work in teams, fostering the cooperation and communication. Peer learning, students learn from each other insights and perspectives, promoting a deeper understanding. Shared responsibility, students collectively engage in tasks and often take on the different roles within the group. Instructor role often acts as a guide or facilitator, designing tasks and helping groups stay on the track. Example, cooperative learning activities, where the students work together to research a topic, present findings, and support one another's learnings. This the table is the comparative between the learner center, instructor center, and group center. Learner center focus on the individual students, but instructor center focus on the instructor or teacher. Group center focus on the in the groups, both students and teachers. Role of the student in the learner center, active responsible for the own learning, but in case of instructor center, students are passive, only receive the information. But in case of the group center, it is collaborative and cooperative between teacher and students. In the instructor role, in the learner center, instructor or guide. But in case of instructor center, the role of the instructor primary knowledge source. But in case of the group center, also it is the guardian facilitator. Examples of the learner centers, project-based learning, and instructor center traditional lecture method and group center cooperative group activities. Thanks for watching. Uh, Thanks you for your patience. That's now. Bye bye. See you again.